Morning kids. So welcome back to Brain Power. So all open your GK books. And today we are going to learn endangered species. What is endangered species? They are nothing but जो अभी ख़त्म होने की कगार पर है. A species of animals who are seriously at risk of extinction. So let us see what we are going to learn today. So let's begin. The first one. Let's read about some of the endangered species of animals. Unscramble the letters given at the end of each description to get the name of the animal. So I'll be reading some of the points and then I'll be giving you the clue for the answers and you have to read it by yourself. Okay? आपको पढ़ के अच्छे से समझना है. तो चलो फर्स्ट वन देखते हैं क्या है. It is found in the remote regions of northern western China and Mongolia. What is that? And it can tolerate the temperature 40 degrees Celsius in summer to 30 degrees Celsius in winter. So, which animal it is? Which species? So, let us see. The first one is camel bacterian. What is the first one? First one is camel bacterian. CAMEL. Camel BACTRIAN. So, the first one is camel bacterian. Come to the second one. So I'll be reading some points. You have to read it by yourself, okay? ये species कहाँ पे find होते हैं? These are found in abundance in Western Europe. ये बहुत ज़्यादा Western Europe में दिखाई दिया जाते हैं. Which is that? Can you guess? It is Sika antelope. It is Sika antelope. So the answer is Sika antelope. तो आपको ये पूरा पैरा अच्छे से पढ़ना है फिर उसका आंसर लिखना है, ओके? Then the third one is where it is found. It is the rarest mammal and its population is around 84 to 143 adults and it is found in Arabian Peninsula and Southern Europe. कहाँ पे फाउंड होता है ये अरेबियन पेनिनसुला एंड सदर्न यूरोप में फाउंड होता है. दिस एनिमल हैज़ अ शॉर्ट टेल. ये एनिमल की बहुत शॉर्ट टेल होती है. टफ्ड ईयर्स and a ruff of fur beneath the chin. The body of this cat is covered with leopard-like spots. जैसे leopard को spots रहते हैं उसी तरह ये cat को भी spots रहते हैं. The color of the coat is often light grey or various shades of light brownish yellow. इसका कलर रहता है light grey में या तो light brownish yellow. जैसे कि हमारी एक cat होती है ना light brownish yellow उसी तरह के. So which is this? It is Arabian lynx. Iberian lynx. Iberian lynx. What it is called? Iberian lynx. तो समझ आया आपको? The fourth one is it is found in northern Colombia and northwestern Venezuela. Its long limbs and very long tail. इसके लिम्स बहुत लॉन्ग रहते हैं और टेल भी बहुत लंबी रहती है. देन इट्स बॉडी से भी लंबी विच कैन ऑलमोस्ट बी कॉल्ड अ फिफ्थ लिम्ब. सो वॉट इट इज़ कॉल्ड? यू हैव टू रीड द होल पैराग्राफ. आई एम रीडिंग अ शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ फॉर यू, ओके? सो इट्स ब्राउन स्पाइडर monkey. What it is called as? It is called as brown spider monkey. And come to the fifth one. So all are with me? Now let us read the fifth one. You have to read and understand and I'm going to explain you the few points, okay? It is a large round parrot, the world's strangest, heaviest and the only flightless parrot. ये बहुत अजीब दिखता है और बहुत हैवी है and it is called the owl parrot. जैसे हमारी owl रहती है उसी तरह का ये parrot भी होता है. It lives in New Zealand. कहाँ पे लिव करता है ये लिव करता है न्यूजीलैंड में. सो विच पैरट इज दैट? इट इज़ काकापो पैरट. इट इज़ काकापो पैरट. सो द आंसर इज काकापो पैरट. दैट इज KAKAPO. काकापो पैरट, ओके? एंड द सिक्स्थ वन. लेट अस गो टू द सिक्स्थ वन. व्हाट इज द सिक्स्थ वन? It is the largest flying bird in North America and has an iconic status in West. It has a large black body with patches meters. फ्रॉम टिप टू टिप। इसके ऊपर, इसके बॉडी के ऊपर वाइट पैचेस है, आपको, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे पैचेस दिख रहे हैं आपको वाइट, इट हैज़ द वाइट पैचेस ऑन इट। कैन एनीबडी गेस व्हाट इज दैट? इट इज कैलिफोर्निया कॉन्डोर, कैलिफोर्निया कॉन्डोर। सो द आंसर इज कैलिफोर्निया कॉन्डोर। तो इसी तरह आपको ये पूरा रीड करके अंडरस्टैंड करके इसका आंसर लिखना है। ओके किड्स? द नेक्स्ट वन इज being Southern America's most endangered large carnivores, they are similar in size and shape to medium large domestic dogs. ये जैसे डोमेस्टिक डॉग्स रहते हैं ना अपने, ये इसी तरह के देखे जाते हैं। एंड वॉट इट इज़ नोन एज? इट इज़ नोन एज, what it is known as, can anybody guess? It is known as African wild dog. It is known as African wild dog. What it is known as? It is known as African wild dog. जब आप पढ़ के समझोगे तब आपको पूरा समझ आएगा। ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन, एट्थ वन, what is the eighth one? Can anybody guess? It is the national animal of Pakistan. जैसे इंडिया का नेशनल एनिमल है टाइगर, वैसे पाकिस्तान का एनिमल कहला जाता है। What is that? Found in north eastern अफ़गानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान एंड सम पार्ट्स ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। तो ये कहाँ कहाँ पाया जाता है? ये अफ़गानिस्तान में, पाकिस्तान में और सम पार्ट्स ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में भी, और तजाकिस्तान में भी पाया जाता है। तो व्हाट इट इज़ नोन एज? मारखौर। इट इज़ नोन एज मारखौर। इट इज़ नोन एज मारखौर। तो आपको लिखना है मारखौर। एंड द नाइन्थ वन, व्हाट इज़ द नाइन्थ वन? The national bird of Philippines is one of the two largest of the species in the world. ये बहुत ज़्यादा largest है species in the world. And can anybody guess what it is? It is Philippine eagle. It is Philippine eagle. So the answer is Philippine eagle. ये आपको पूरा रीड करके समझ के आंसर लिखना है। Okay kids? The next one is, can anybody guess what is the next one? We are coming for the 10th one. Let me read. They inhabited tropical and subtropical coastal waters around the world, are omnivorous and have wide green-gray shells carapace. So can you see that? Yeah, it's very beautiful. So what is the answer? It is olive redley turtles. What is the answer? Olive redley turtles. So you need to read, understand and then write the answer. Now come to the 11th one. What is the 11th one? This bird is a large East Asian bird and among the rarest of its species in the world. This bird is very rare in the world. Rare यानी कि ये बहुत कम है पूरी दुनिया में। It is snow white in color with black tipped wings. So you can see this is snow white color which has black tipped wings. A typical bird measures about 158 centimeter tall, 136 centimeter in length and spans 242.5 centimeters across the wings. So you can just check out with the wings of the bird. So which bird is that? It is red crowned crane. Red crowned crane. It is known as red crowned crane. And then we come to the last one. Can anybody guess what it is? Let me read for you. This is a small size rabbit that lives in high altitude 3000 to 4250 meters above sea level in the mountainous regions of Mexico. It is world's second smallest rabbit. So ये दुनिया का सबसे second smallest rabbit है। Can anybody guess what it is? It is volcano rabbit. It is known as your volcano rabbit. So the 12th one is volcano rabbit. आपको ये पूरा टॉपिक endangered species का पढ़ के समझ के लिखना है। Okay kids, you need to read each para and then understand the each topic and write the given answer. Okay? Now let me take you to reptiles. So what are reptiles? Reptiles are nothing but cold-blooded animals. and whose young one come out of eggs. Example, crocodile and snake. So let me see what we are going to learn today in reptiles. So let's check out. It is understood that there are more than 6,000 described species of reptiles. They form a heterogeneous group of vertebrates which inhabit all kinds of environments, be it land or water, ranging from the oceans to the desert. Now let us see the fill in the blanks. The first one. So what is the first one? Dash are the largest reptiles. So which are the largest reptiles? They are saltwater crocodiles. So you need to write saltwater crocodiles. The second one. The scales of a crocodile are made of dash, the same substance that hooves and fingernails are made of. They are certain. 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 So the second answer is certain. The third one. Reptiles live in all continents of the world except where reptiles don't live. They don't live in the continent of Antarctica. Antarctica. So the answer is Antarctica. The fourth one. Reptiles are dash blooded animals, hence, they are dependent on external sources such as the sun to maintain their body temperature. So पहले मैंने क्या बोला था? What are reptiles? Reptiles are cold blooded animals. So आपको cold blooded लिखना है. The fifth one. Most reptiles lay dash in warm, dry places. Most reptiles, जैसे मैंने कहा, they lay eggs. Example, crocodile and snake. The sixth one. Dash are very slow moving reptiles. Can anybody guess? Yeah, that is tortoise. Tortoise are very slow moving reptiles. The seventh one. What is the seventh one? The dash is the largest venomous snake in the world. Can anybody guess? Yes, it is king cobra. It is king cobra. The eighth one. The dash is one of the two poisonous lizards in the world. It is Gila monster. It is Gila monster. तो आपको GILAMONSTER. It is Gila monster. The ninth one. The dash frightens off an intruder by suddenly spreading out its huge neck frill. The answer is Australian frilled lizard. Australian frilled lizard. The 10th one. The dash belongs to the group of reptiles called blackheads. It first lived around the time of the dinosaurs. It is tortoise. It is tortoise. It is tortoise. So you need to write TUATARAS. Okay. The last one. Dash many dash get rid of the skin. Several times a year, the new skin grows under the old skin. So it is known as snakes. So snakes every year gets a new skin. Okay. So this was about reptiles. So after reptiles, let me take you to pyramids. But what are pyramids? It's a group contains all the species commonly related to the monkey, apes, later category which includes human also. Pyramids are found overall the world. So let us check what are we going to learn today. So we are going to learn about pyramids. Pyramids arose from ancestors that live in the trees of tropical forest. So pyramids live in the trees of tropical forest with the exception of humans who inhabit every continent. Most pyramids live in tropical or subtropical region of the Americas, Africa and Asia. Let's make a beginning and learn something about them. So let us learn something about them. So here they are given as fill in the blanks. We need to write it down. The first one is, let me go with the first one. They are dash species of pyramids. They are about 300 species of pyramids. The second one, monkeys are most easily distinguished from apes by their tails. By their tails. monkeys हमेशा जाने जाते हैं अपनी टेल्स की वजह से, तो इट इज़ डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन their tails. Okay. The third one, dash have no tails. Who has no tails? Apes. APES. Apes have no tails. Example, gorilla and chimpanzees. The fourth one, dash are small monkeys that live in Central and South America. They sleep and spend all their time in trees. It is gibbon. It is known as gibbon. So you need to write GEGIBBONS, gibbon. The fifth one, dash are the most widespread of the African monkeys and inhabit large parts of sub-Saharan Africa. So it is vervets. It is vervets. The sixth one, the dash is found only in Madagascar. It is known as what? Lemur. It is known as lemur. 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 The seventh one, the dash is the biggest ape. It is almost 2 meters tall and weighs over 200 kilometers. It is known as gorilla. What it is known as? It is known as gorilla. The eighth one, the dash is the world's smallest monkey. So which is the world's smallest monkey? It is the pygmy marmoset. It is pygmy marmoset. So you need to write pygmy marmoset. The ninth one, the male dash is the largest monkey. Which is the male largest monkey? It is the mandrill. It is the mandrill. The tenth one, the dash is a very intelligent pyramid that lives in Africa. Which it is? It is the chimpanzee. Chimpanzee is the very intelligent pyramid that lives in Africa. तो चिंपैंजीज कहाँ पे रहते हैं? चिंपैंजीज रहते हैं अफ्रीका में, विच इज़ वेरी मच इंटेलिजेंट, जैसे आपकी तरह. The last one, the dash has long reddish brown hair. This ape is found in Southeast Asia. Which is that? It is orangutan. Orangutan. It is orangutan. So this was about our pyramids. I hope you have understood all the topics whatever we have learned today. Okay kids, have a good day. Take care. Bye.